Have you ever found yourself asking what happens when a disagreement goes sour, or someone unintentionally causes harm, but it is clearly not a criminal matter? What kind of responsibility does someone face in those situations? When we talk about civil liability, the main legal consequences almost always involve money or a court order for specific actions. Unlike criminal cases that focus on punishment like jail time, civil liability aims to make the injured party whole again through financial compensation or by ensuring a certain behavior. The core reason for these consequences lies in the fundamental purpose of civil law: to resolve disputes between individuals or organizations and to provide remedies for wrongs. This means that if you are found civilly liable, you typically owe the other party damages. These can be compensatory damages, which are designed to cover actual losses like medical bills, lost wages, or property repair costs. Sometimes, if the conduct was particularly egregious, a court might also award punitive damages, which are intended to punish the wrongdoer and deter similar behavior in the future. The amount of these damages depends heavily on the specific facts of the case, the jurisdiction, and the extent of the harm caused. Factors like the nature of the breach in a contract dispute or the severity of negligence in a personal injury claim all play a significant role in determining the final consequences. Understanding these potential consequences is your first step in navigating civil disputes. It is crucial to gather all relevant documents, communicate clearly, and seek professional legal advice early on. Knowing your rights and responsibilities under contracts or common law can help you avoid situations that might lead to civil liability or effectively defend against claims made against you. You might engage in negotiation, mediation, or ultimately, litigation to resolve the matter. An important distinction in civil cases is the burden of proof. While criminal cases requiring proof beyond a reasonable doubt, civil cases only requiring a preponderance of the evidence, meaning it is more likely than not that the defendant is responsible. This lower standard can make it easier for a plaintiff to win their case, highlighting why careful conduct and documentation are so vital. Another term you might encounter is specific performance, a court order requiring a party to fulfill their contractual obligations exactly, rather than just paying money damages. Ultimately, being aware of civil liability and its potential consequences empowers you to protect your interests, manage risks effectively, and approach disagreements with confidence. By understanding that civil law aims for restoration and fair resolution, you can better navigate personal and business interactions, striving for outcomes that are just and equitable for all involved.